The Spartan Root Activator Shampoo claims to fight hair thinning and promote regrowth, especially for men dealing with receding hairlines. I've seen this pop up in men's grooming forums, so I decided to dig deeper and see if it holds up. The shampoo uses biotin, caffeine, and herbal DHT blockers to stimulate follicles and improve scalp circulation. It's supposed to reduce shedding, strengthen roots, and promote thicker growth with consistent use. After using it for about a month, my scalp genuinely felt cleaner and less itchy. I noticed reduced hair fall while showering, and new baby hairs started appearing near the temples. It also left a refreshing cooling sensation that felt great post-workout. The flaws: it can be drying if used daily, and results take time. You won't see drastic changes overnight. Plus, if you already have advanced hair loss, this alone won't reverse it. But as a supportive product, it does its job well. Pair it with a good scalp serum or diet, and Spartan Root becomes a powerful part of your regrowth routine. And that's it. That is my review of the Spartan Root Activator Shampoo.